Well, hi everyone. We are in Bird in Hand, Lancaster County this morning at the Bird in Hand Farmers Market, and I thought we would just take a nice holiday stroll through the town of Bird in Hand first and just, walk up on the little porches and see what people are selling, and then we'll finish the video by just taking a little walk inside the farmers market. So let's go for a walk. And it is so festive through the town of Bird in Hand. I love all the holiday things that are out, and it's just a fun time of year with all the decorations and, holiday spirit. So just really enjoy this time of year. And this place always has really neat things for your outdoors, all the wind spinners and the nativity sets for your front yard. One of these days this winter or spring, probably winter, we'll walk through these shops here. Like we'll go in and out of each shop. So that I thought that would be pretty fun. And look at this pretty walkway. I love this. And the store we just walked by, that was Creative Home. I can't wait to go in there. So now I walk down the street and we're going to start on the other side of the farmer's market. This is the Log Cabin Quilt Shop. And I just thought I would show you the really pretty holiday quilts that are hanging out here. And today is Friday, December 12th. I have to start remembering to put in the dates. I know a lot of you like to know what date I'm filming these videos. So today's the 12th of December on a Friday around 2 o'clock. So it's busy, so it's going to be a little trafficy noise along this walk, but it's just a pretty town to walk through, and I love the holidays. All the decorations and stuff looks so cool through town. And this first porch is Ruthie's Women's Boutique. They always have cute things hanging in their window and on the porch. And this next shop here on the porch is JJ African Attire, and their entrance is in the back. And this is just somebody's home. We're just kind of walking down their sidewalk. And it looks like somebody put out some free headboards and a little kid's chair there. And if you guys are familiar with the shops in Bird in Hand, the only place I've ever been to, even though I'm here all the time, I only have gone into the Bird in Hand Farmers Market. So I'm not familiar with the shops here. So if you guys have your favorites that you definitely want us to visit, definitely put them in the comments for us, because, we're just not familiar with all the shops. I know up here there's like a big like a artisans market. I definitely want to go through that whole area too. And the pretty big brick buildings there to the left and also over to the right, that's the Bird in Hand Village Inn and Suites. Their property always looks so pretty there. And the road we're walking along here is Route 340. And right up here, we're coming up to the Bird in Hand Artisan Village. And there's a large amount of stores here in this village. I'll show you the sign of all the people, the vendors here. This barn always looks so cool. I can't wait to go in there too. Love all the Christmas decorations outside of the buildings. Looks really pretty. And they have all their decorative hex signs on the barn out there. I think they look so pretty on the barns. And then all back in here are lots of different vendors. And this is the list of all the vendors that are in this village. So there's quite a few. And I love these old-fashioned gas pumps. I think these are so cool. And I love when you drive by and you see them. It's just kind of neat, to remember of days gone by. I just love that old look. It's really cool. And this is the Old Village Store Hardware. And that looks like a neat place to go in. I am super excited to visit these places. Look at all these cool things they have just right on their front porch. A lot of neat decorations for the holidays. Some neat chairs down the way there. And sorry for the shadow of me there, but the sun is so low this time of year, and it's like I had to pick. Do I want the sun in my eyes filming, or do I want the sun behind me? So I just think it's prettier this way with the sun behind me, but then you have the shadow. So I don't know, it's just a funny time of year sometimes to film. But anyway, this looks super cool. I cannot wait to come back to this place here. And it's busy. There's a lot of people going in and out of all these stores here. So we'll keep heading down this way, and we'll go back down here and start on this person's porch. And I love these places, no matter how many times you come, they always have different things. And that's really a cute sign there. A lot of cute things here, actually. And I just got a snowman like that at the thrift shop. But he is $75 and I paid $15 for mine. I got a really good price on my snowman. He doesn't light up or anything, but I just love it. It looks so cute on my porch. So anyway, that was like my find of the year. Oh, I like the bar stool there. Like, reminds me of like a diner. Really cute things here. And this is, I forgot to mention, this is Downingtown Vintage Store. And I also believe they have another shop in the town of Downingtown, right on 322. I might be wrong on the location, but I'm pretty sure they have another shop in the center of Downingtown. So, oh, that's cute. I love the goose decorated for Christmas. Super, super cute things here. And here comes a horse and buggy. I absolutely love Lancaster County. This is just a beautiful spot in the world. All right, so we'll cross the street and then we'll go down to the left here. This is like their side porch, and this store is named Modish. And they have cool things here. They always have really neat things on this back side porch here too. So they have a lot of antiques mixed with holiday. It looks absolutely gorgeous. I love the big Christmas balls and the garland. Everything looks so pretty. Even if you're not buying anything, it's just fun to come and look at all of the neat things. It's just so cool. And look at that cute Snoopy. I like that. I love Snoopy. And the Woodstock. That's really cute. And this is adorable Santa riding the tractor. I like that. It's like a wood cutout. And it's $34. I feel like that's kind of a neat price for that. I like that. It's really unique. So now we'll just head up to the front porch of the store and check out what they have on their porch. And they always have the best decorated porch for Christmas time. Look how adorable this is. This is my favorite storefront with all the decorations. I love this. It looks like it's like Santa's workshop. Super, super cute. And look at all the neat things they have on the porch too. It's just so cool here. I can't wait to visit this. Actually, I can't wait to visit all of these shops. And there's another one of those snowmen, although I think mine's a lot cuter than that one. Here's a picture of mine. I just had to put that in because isn't he cute? So anyway, I just had to show you the differences. I just love that snowman. I just love it. Anyway, they have really cute things here too. I love these decorations on this porch. It is so cozy and Christmassy. It's just so fun. That's a neat hand painted jug. I love it. You just never seriously know what you're gonna come across here. There's a neat old, looks like a beach bike. That's what they remind me of, is like a beach bike. And the quilt and craft store is over here to the left. And they also have, look at this neat holiday cake in the window. Isn't that pretty? And the Bird in Hand Bakery is here as well. And they also have ice cream in there too. And the ice cream place gets really crowded in the summertime. They have good ice cream here. And they also have a cafe in here. If anybody has been in here, let me know how you liked it and how you liked the cafe. And the decorations look so pretty. We'll just cross the little street here and check out the animals, and then we'll walk over to the farmer's market. I always like to stop by and see these guys. Hi, Mr. Turkey. I'm sure you're feeling really lucky since Thanksgiving has passed. I think he just agreed. That was adorable. They have chickens and goats and the turkeys here. The goats are just, everybody seems pretty relaxed. I think the turkey is especially happy. So let's head back over. We'll cross back over Route 340. And this can be tricky to cross from one side to another, but we'll make it. You might just have to be patient if you're crossing the street though, because it's so trafficy sometimes. All right, let's make a break for it. That actually wasn't that bad. Sometimes on the weekends, though, it's really horrendous to try to cross. So let's check out inside the farmer's market. And it's pretty busy as I expected, but not unbearably busy. Saturdays can get really busy right now in here, and Fridays, but it's not too bad today. All this stuff looks so good. All the fresh cheeses and meats. And there's the kitchen kettle area. And chocolates and fudges from Groff's. It always smells so good in this farm market. And there's the lunch counter. If you need something to eat, they have you covered here. There's a couple different spots you can get lunch or dinner. And over here, that was the Village gift shop. That's like a whole other separate market area. And actually, if you're hungry, you can fill up on samples. Sometimes they have so many samples. And the Candyland candy store, it always looks so cute. It literally feels like you're shopping in Candyland at this candy shop. And the deerskin leather shop is over there, and the leather smells so good, along with all the food. And here's the beautiful produce area, lots of good fresh fruits and vegetables. So I hope you enjoyed this fun trip to Bird in Hand. That was great, and it was so festive. It gets you in the holiday spirit even more, than I was before. I hope it did the same for you. So I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day, whatever you're doing, and we'll see you on the next one.